Hi, I'm James Nicholson, founder of My Electrician's Toolbox, and I teach electricians and other trades how to successfully market their businesses locally. For the past 3 years, I have run a membership site, and one of the biggest issues that I have is actually trying to get people in at the front end of my business. Most of you will be aware of the whole concept of building a list. And I've tried various different tactics to do this previously, everything from blogging to Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, buying lists, and lots of other things. All to varying degrees of success, but nothing consistent. Until I came across James Nicholson's Facebook Mastery. Now, I was introduced to Facebook Mastery by a friend, and I have to say I subscribed to it reluctantly, because when I had done Facebook advertising before, it had cost me money. But of course it cost me money because I was doing it wrong. James's teaching, his online training is fantastic. Everything is broken down into individual steps that you can easily follow. Everything from setting up your Facebook page, setting up your landing page, how to create your ads. He just makes it so easy. The best part is, of course, learning how to break down your demographic so that you're targeting people specifically. I can tell you that today, having just recently completed James's course, I'm now adding an average of 7 people a day to my list. Now, that might not seem like a lot to some people, but if I tell you that now those people are highly targeted, they are my exact audience, which makes it so much easier for me to upsell them into the membership. Not only that, but because of a technique that James teaches us, I'm able to liquidate the cost of my ads. So in other words, although I pay at the front end, my Facebook advertising doesn't cost me anything because of the steps that James has put into the system. If you get an opportunity to do Facebook Mastery with James Nicholson, then I would advise you to grab it. Just bite his hands off. Now, I believe it only opens up a couple of times a year, and the spaces are quite limited. So if you get an opportunity, grab a spot. Apart from the online training, James runs a private Facebook group where you have a lot of like-minded people, like myself, past people who have completed the course and people who are currently going through the course, who are actually in that Facebook group, and everybody's helping everybody else. But more than that, James also goes in and does Q&A in the Facebook group as well. So I'll say it again, if you get the opportunity to take Facebook Mastery, then I think it will be a great decision for you and your business.